Hey, good morning, y'all. I was asked a little while ago to do sort of an instructional video on how to erect the cosmic sphere because the picture can be a little bit confusing, especially when you're trying to connect the rings. So we'll go over it right now. So ideally, you're going to be facing east. In front of you is east, okay? Most magical rituals are going to start with you facing east. But if you don't know where that is, that's cool. Just make it up, okay? Like, don't trip. All right. So first you're going to start with the point, visualizing a point at a heart level right inside of you, okay? And you're going to say, from the infinite power of my inner silent center, do I construct my inner cosmos, okay? Then the light is going to travel vertically directly above you, and you're going to visualize a crown there, all right? And you're going to say, I am connected to the potential of the All-Father principle. Then, after you visualize the crown and you say that, the light is going to go straight down to your toes. Okay, and you're going to visualize a black stone. And you're going to say, I am equally connected to the principle of the Earth Mother. So right now, what you have done is completed the vertical axis. So at this next point, you're going to imagine this going back to this central point, okay? Vertical axis complete. You're going back to the home, back to the center point. And you're going to imagine that that beam of light now moves from your center directly in front of you, okay? And you're going to say, around me are the four symbols of dynamic power. Before me lies the symbol of perfect intelligence and awareness. And you're going to visualize a sword there, all right? Then that beam of light is going to travel back inside, but this is created, and it's going to go to the right now, okay? And you're going to visualize a wand, and there you're going to say, to my right lies the symbol of perfect creativity. Then you're going to imagine that beam of light coming back inside and moving directly behind you. You can turn around, but I do that for other rituals. For this one, I just imagine the light kind of going through my heart and directly behind me, okay? And you're going to visualize a cup, and it's going to say, behind me lies the symbol of eternal outpouring goodness. And you're going to visualize the cup, okay? Remember that that's west. This is east, that's west, okay? It's not south, it's west. And then it's going to go back inside, right? But these three beam of light so far are still erected. They're still activated now. The beam of light, you start in the center again, and you create another arm going out to your left, okay? And it's going to say, to my left lies the symbol of my being. And you're going to visualize a shield, okay? Now, after you say this, we're going to start creating the rings that connects it all right? So you're going to say, one is the totality of existence. So starting at the crown and moving down to the right side, through the cube, up to the left side, and back to the crown. That's your first ring. Okay? The second ring is going to be 2 is the reality of potential. And it starts in front at the sword and moves clockwise to the wand, to the cup, and then to the shield, and then back to the sword. So your second ring is going wham around you. First ring, wham. No, wham. There we go. Second ring, wham. Okay? Cool. Third ring. 3 is the number of power. This is where you're going to visualize the third ring. So you're going to start at the crown, and it's going to move through the base, then to the rear, and then back up top. Wham. Okay? Then you're going to say, from center to circumference, all is connected according to cosmic law. Be this cosmic sphere declared open. Ooh, I'm already feeling something. So this is how you erect the cosmic sphere. Okay, we go first ring, second ring, third ring. All right, I hope this helped. Good luck on your journeys. Have fun with it. You're connecting to all types of cool elements. And yeah, blessings in all your manifestations.